Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be downloading VMware Workstation 16.0 player for Windows. VMware can be downloaded by clicking on the blue banner located at the bottom left of the screen. When the VMware file has downloaded, go into your Downloads folder. Locate the VMware installation file. Double click on it to start the installation process. At the pop-up window, click Next. Check to accept the end-user license agreement. Check Enhanced Keyboard Driver and click Next. Click Next and Next. And finally, click Install. Then click Finish to complete the installation process.